Okay, this is Jesse Clark 2. Here we go. I'm gonna get this guy 3 times. Here's number 1.
Real mature. Maybe next time we'll be here.
Okay, that's just the first time. Let's go second time. Ready? Set. Shit, he almost saw me. Some lucky shit. Let's go. Third time. Oh shit, the door's opened. I'ma still do it for the 3rd time.